Hi everyone, welcome to course on Easy to Learn Automations. So today we are going to see the most interesting question programming on string concepts. So how we can remove the consecutive duplicate values. So consider this scenario like if we have the input AABB, our output is AB. So this is a requirement. For this requirement we are going to create a script for this one. So if you see the consecutive values, then we need to remove the duplicate. So if we have again A, then output should be A B A. Instead of removing all duplicates A, we have to remove only the consecutive duplicates. So I hope you got that questions clear. Now we will move to creation of this method, how to remove the consecutive duplicates. So here in main method I am just getting the input from the user and I created an empty method over here. So it's throwing some error, so its return type is there, so just we return null now and we write the script. So here we are going to frame a new string. So for that one we can go with string buffer or string builder. So string builder I am choosing. So the logic is we need to take each character and from starting from that second index, like I equal to this is 0, first index is 0 and second index is 1, it goes like that. So we need to take from the first index and we need to compare with the previous one. So if it is same, then we should not do anything. Then again we can increment that index to second index and we compare with the previous one. If it is not same, then we will write that previous index value to that string builder. So by this way we can build that output ABA. So to perform the iteration I am using that for loop. So initially we will be checking from that index 1 till that string length. The logic is I'm just checking if string dot character I minus 1, which is 0th index, if it is equal to string dot character. So initially I have the pointer at first character. So 0 1 means A, it will point to 0 and 1 position. So for the first position we will compare with the previous position. So if it is same, then we just ignore it and we will continue the for loop. If it is not same, we are going to add that into that string builder. We are going to add the previous value, which is nothing but the point where that duplicate is completely removed. Like if it is having consecutive A, so till that A it will be like this continue will happen. If it is find B, it will try to compare B with A, then it this if condition breaks, it goes to else and it will add that A to that output. So this logic works. So once this is built, we are going to return SB. We need to add a last character at the last index. If it is considering AB, it is not matching, then B will be added here, then A will be missed out. So to add that A, again we are returning it, adding that last character alone. And we are returning the string builder. So I use a local variable inside the block, so I'm initializing. So the error is gone. We can run the program and check our output. So I'm just giving A, B, B, C. So the output what we can expect is A, B, C. So we are getting an exception is string index out of bounds, which is trying to access 3, 4, 5, 6, which is at character 6. So once the for loop is executed, that I will be pointing to that last index. I mean string length. If it is the length is 5, then index will be start from 0 to 4. So for that one we need to give I minus 1. So which will point the last character. Again we will run and check it. Again we are giving that output input A, B, B and C. The expected output is A, B, C. We run one more with different input. If I give hello world, the duplicate should be removed. HELO is an expected output. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. I am done with that.